A very good afternoon, all of you. My name is Isha Sharma, and today we are going to discuss about the Unit 4 graph of the data structure. Coming to our first slide, that is a graph. Basically, a graph in the data structure is a non-linear organization of data consisting of or vertical and edges. Vertical means nodes and edges means length that represent relationship or connection between different entities, right? It is a versatile data structure used to model complex and real world systems such as social networks, transportation maps, and also worldwide web. Basically, graph is classified as so many ways, as you can see here. This is undirected graph, where in undirected graph the edges have no directions, right? No directions, ना ही incoming directions रहती है, ना outgoing transaction रहती है. It means these connections are bidirectional. It can move from A to B or B to A, right? If A is connected to B and B is connected to A. Directed graph, the second one is directed graph. If I talk about directed graph, it have a specific direction. Suppose A is connected to B and a arrow is showing from A to B. It means it is traversing from A to B, which indicating only one way relationship of an edge from A to B. Doesn't necessarily mean an edges from B to A, right? The next one is weighted graph. In this, each edge have numerical value like a weight, cost, distance associated with it. Undirected graph, if I talk about undirected graph, unweighted graph, all edges are treated as having a same cost importance of focusing solely on connectivity, right? Basically, connected graph is a there in the graph where there is a path between every pair of vertices in the graph. If I talk about disconnected graph, then in this, some vertices are not reachable from other. Basically, a cyclic graph that contains no cycles. Basically, it has closed loops. And a directed graph, a cyclic graph, यानी कि it is basically important in scheduling and dependency analysis. If talk about cyclic graph, then cyclic graph consists of at least one cycle. Cycle means a loop that is coming to that point only, right? Coming to the next slide, we can see the basic key algorithms and applications. Traversal algorithm. Traversal means when we move from source to destination using different technique, that is called traversal algorithms, right? Basically, it divided into two parts, that is breadth first search and depth first search. Breadth first search explores all the neighbors at the current level before moving to the next, right? Means widthwise, it moves widthwise, right? Used for find It is basically used for finding unweighted graphs and web crawling, right? If I talk about depth first search, it explores as far as possible along one branch before backtracking, used for cycle detection and topology sorting. Shortest path algorithms are Dijitar's algorithm, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm. There are various shortest path algorithm, but here I mention only one. In Dijitar algorithm, we find out the shortest path between the nodes in the weighted graph with non-negative weight used in GPS navigations, right? Well, a minimum spanning tree algorithm is Prim's Kruskal, where we find a subset of edges that connects all the vertices with minimum possible total weight, and this basically used in network design, right? Huh. Thank you all of you, and that is it for today. Thank you so much.